Hey guys, I am at Nescopeck State Park here in Pennsylvania. And it's funny, this park, I've been up in this area before. We've spent a lot of time in Hickory Run State Park, and this park is right in that general area, yet I've never been here before, so I'm really excited to check it out today. So I was just in the visitor center, really nice little visitor center, lots of hands-on things for kids. Looks like they have a classroom in there for educational programs. There's a nice bathroom, so be sure to check that out. I picked up a couple information about some hikes I want to do and things in the area. So definitely a good resource if you're not sure what to do when you visit this park. So while I was walking down this path, I saw a bright orange bird that I've never really seen before. And I mean, once I looked up the name, it seemed kind of common. It's a Baltimore Oriole. But it was just so pretty, the bright orange on it, and I got some nice photos of it. So in my video today, I'm going to be showing you two very easy trails. So the first one is what I'm on now. This is the lake trail. It goes around Lake Francis, and this is a 0.6 of a mile loop on a gravel pathway, very easy to hike. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you the Woodfrog Loop, which is a 1.1 mile loop, and that is just through a normal forest path. This short little loop around the lake is just so beautiful. So many nice sights looking out over the lake. There's a lot of people fishing here. Nice, easy gravel, flat trail, totally family friendly. Enjoying these little flowers here. So it looks like there's a lot of low-lying swampy areas down there, which is pretty interesting. And you've got the lake off to the left. This is the Lehigh Path. Until about 1800, a Native American footpath passed through here. It was one of several linking the Indian villages and the Delaware and Susquehanna River drainage systems. This path originated at the forks of the Delaware River near Easton and proceeded northwestward to Wyoming near Wilkes-Barre. All right, so now I'm going to try this Woodfrog Loop Trail. The thing I want to point out is if you look here on the map, all these trails are fairly short, maybe the longest being this 3-mile one. But they all run off of this park road. So you can go up and down here and combine a bunch of short little hikes to see different features of the park and of course make a longer day of hiking. I always think it's so neat. If you look at one side of the tree where the sun hits it, you're not going to find a lot of moss. But if you go to the other side, it's got quite a covering of moss on these two trees. people I've seen while hiking here are people fishing, trout fishing. So this is a super peaceful park, especially if you're a hiker. Like I said, not huge long distance hiking trails, but you can combine just a ton of short trails to see different, very varied sections of the park. Got kind of another one over here, and you can see it turns into a grassy meadow, which is very neat. We just have those beautiful blue skies today. Just a super awesome day, very mild weather. T-shirt's perfect for today. I just love the way that ferns come up. They start with this little spiral and they start to expand out and eventually get like that. So this water is just teeming with tadpoles. You can see them swimming around. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up my video here. Thank you so much for coming with me. Fantastic state park. Really a lot less crowded than other state parks in this area. I love the ability that there's so many little trails that you can pick and choose from, and such varied like terrain throughout the park. So you can combine a lot of little trails to see a lot of different things along the park. Be sure to walk that lakeside trail. That was super beautiful. I just can't get over the amount of birds, like songbirds that you hear singing. A really, really beautiful spot. So check it out if you're up in this area. If you're interested in seeing other Pennsylvania state parks, please check out our channel page. We've been to quite a few, and you're gonna find probably most of what you're looking for in that Pennsylvania State Parks playlist. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. And if you're looking to see more behind the scenes content, be sure to follow us over on Instagram. We kind of post when we're actively filming, so you can kind of see what's coming up next on the channel. It's a great way to just get a sneak peek at the content that's coming next. Thanks, guys.